AgRevive.com, reviving the world through agriculture. Hello and welcome, this is Neil. Thank you for joining me. In this video I'm going to talk to you about where to buy bulk grains. Now at this time I know of just over 1,450 grain storage silo companies or grain storage silo locations in the United States. And what I've done is I've mapped them, and I want to show you where they're located and how many of them are in each state. Now, in order to save time, I'm only going to show you the ones that have 20 or more. Otherwise, this video will be just way too long. So, if you look in the south, Florida has 20, Mississippi has 23, Louisiana has 33 storage silos, Arkansas has 47, Texas 161, Oklahoma 39, Tennessee 29, Kentucky 20. In the Midwest, Ohio has 69, Indiana has 110, Illinois 237, Minnesota 55, North Dakota 36, South Dakota 73, Nebraska 69, Kansas 63, Iowa 39, Missouri 48. And if you look in the West, you'll see that Montana has 34, Idaho 21, Colorado 29, and California has 27 storage silos. And if you are in need of large-scale grain production, bulk or wholesale grains for your mill, silo, or storehouse for trade or for resale, then I can help. So if you look at the bottom of the screen, if you go to www.agrevive.com and go to the Contact Neil page, you can contact me from there, and I will see you on the website. AgRevive.com, reviving the world through agriculture.